challenges did it present?
The project is image boards, and it's how you mount a tablet in a like OtterBox or a light-proof case onto your snowboard, so that you can take action video going down the mountain and then show your friends on the way back up on the lift. The challenges involved is how do you keep a tablet mounted to a snowboard when you're doing jumps, getting big air and just carving down the mountain. So a lot of the process of the design work is how do we assign all the tolerances, and how do we teach the students how to come up with a process in evaluating how are we going to get this done. So there's a lot of time and taking in between all the interaction of every component, how it goes together, and how that's going to keep the tablet or the iPhone or your Android phone onto the board or ski. So there's a lot of design process, different materials, what materials do we use, how do we choose the correct materials, and it's really valuable for the students to learn that.
I mean, this must have been a challenge because, if you watch snowboarding, I mean, it gets pretty rough out there. So how hard was it to come up with something that's going to, you can use it for more than one run and your iPad's not cracked on the first run here?
Yeah, it was, we're in our fourth iteration of a prototype. So this is our fourth design revision that we're on now. And the first one was pretty good, and we just kept getting better and better with it. So yeah, it's been a pretty lengthy process. It's almost 8 months now, I think we've spent on this, off and on, creating a prototype, getting it out there, actually using it on the board and testing it and see what happens, then coming back with the feedback from, who's actually riding on it, and just making those changes. And there's even other stuff too, is like how does the user get it in and out? We had one design that held it on there. There was no doubt it was going to come off, but it's the user trying to get it in and out of that when they get back to the clubhouse. They want to take it out, or back to camp, and they want to take their iPad off and use it for something else. We actually had some issues with them being able to get it off and getting the class open. So we had to go back and do a redesign so we can still keep the structural integrity of it in use, but be able to get it off with relative ease so anybody could use it.